Glyco Restore Drops are marketed as a natural blood sugar support formula that supposedly regulates glucose levels. But the real question is, do they actually work, or is it another supplement making big promises? Now, to be fair, some ingredients commonly used in blood sugar supplements, like berberine, cinnamon extract, chromium, or bitter melon, do have limited research suggesting they may modestly support glucose control in certain people. What it does well: some ingredients may offer mild support. Certain herbal and mineral ingredients have shown small potential benefits for insulin sensitivity or blood sugar management. Liquid drops are easy to take. Some users prefer drops over capsules because they are quicker and more convenient. Where it falls short: it will not cure diabetes. This is the biggest issue. No over-the-counter supplement has been scientifically proven to reverse diabetes or completely normalize blood sugar on its own. The marketing is often heavily exaggerated. Ads frequently imply dramatic glucose control, pancreas repair, or medication-free management that is not strongly supported by evidence. There is usually little research on the exact product itself. Even if some ingredients have study behind them, that does not prove Glyco Restore Drops specifically deliver major results. So, do Glyco Restore Drops actually regulate blood sugar? Short answer: maybe slightly for some people, but nowhere near as dramatically as advertised. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.